Good evening, everyone. My name's Heath Haskins, Code Primate. Let me get some music going on here. And tonight, I was wanting to practice and play around inside Studio for a little bit, so I figured, why not just do it? You know, why not come in here and do the thing that I love to do, which is play. Hold on. How do I? Where's my list options? There we go. And that's not the one. Load list. Programming, play. There we go. That might be a little too loud. Yeah, let's turn that down just a little bit. There we go. So actually, before I get started on that, this is the level builder. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, I've been building on a game called Theus forever and a day. And if you don't know what the game's based on, it was actually a game called Subspace Zero game Subspace. There we go. Subspace Continuum on Steam. So this is like the original of like what it was and back in the day and everything else. Hold on. Is there a thing? I need a thing. Here, screenshot. Boom. There. That's a beautiful screenshot of like what it kind of looks like. This is what I want. Okay? I want a bunch of people to be able to play inside Roblox, inside one server, and like 100 people just going at it and getting just eliminating each other, going for points and different spawns like that. That's what I tried to go for here. And for the most part, let's see, can I pull this out? Let's pull this out. Go maximize. There we go. So this is Theus. You can kind of see the map behind it, and you'd be able to see like the players attacking each other and kind of flying around. But then you click on it, and you spawn into the world. And then you'd have your gunshots like that. And this is what I've come up with so far. Some of you have probably already seen this on some of the live streams, stuff like that. Anyhow, I figured I'd come in here and I'd start building up level 2. And start in with just some extra little stuff. Hold on. If I remember right, under server storage, I've got levels in like level 1. So let's move level builder down to server storage and put level 1 back up here. So here's level 1. Okay, and it's not big, nothing fancy. Hold on, now what was that? Did that look funny? It looked a little wonky there for a second. Maybe it's just turned slightly? I can't tell. I don't allow movement of the... What if I do a control P? No. Anyhow. That looks really dark for some reason. Did they change something? Oh, they changed the lighting, I think. So, let's go in here to workspace. No, let's go in here to lighting. Where's lights? There it is, lighting. And we should be able to find ambient light. And we'll just push that up to white. Okay. F5. That should take care of the color, make it look a little bit better. Yeah. Nice and bright. Ooh, did I just shoot myself? I have no clue what happened right there. Nice. I didn't realize I could shoot myself. Okay, I'll have to figure that one out. Anyhow, we need a scoreboard. And the only thing I could think to do is to come in here and start creating a GUI. So like, let's see. Starter player. Let's go to, no, we need starter GUI, right? So the select ship menu is what we currently have. Oh man, it has been a while since I've done this. Okay, so select ship right here. Whenever we have it clicked, function, player, game, replicate. Select ship is a GUI menu, right? Hold on, why can we not see it? Is it, it's enabled. Yeah, it's enabled. So, right, Theus is up here. And right there is where we start. Oh, the entire planet's like moved. Hold on. Can we rotate this? Let's just rotate that like that. There we go. That should look a little bit better on the screen. It still looks wonky, like it's tilted for some reason. Maybe it's where my camera is. Oh well. So let's hit the play button over here and let's get to programming. What is that? Oh, it's an empty. Okay. What do I want to do? I want to go to, let's see, starter menu. And let's just do a plus screen GUI right here. Oh, is this frame disabled? Maybe that's why I couldn't see it. Alright, this one's going to be called Scoreboard. And we're going to add a frame. So now we should see it. Maybe. What? I just noticed that starter GUI's like turned off or something. There we go. Show development GUI. Nice. Okay. So, ship selection menu, we're going to reset on spawn, but for right now we're just going to disable it because we don't want it. Alright, let's go back over here. For our frame, we are going to make this background color. Like a... oh, just make it black. Border color, I want like a light gray. Lightish gray, maybe. Maybe a little lighter. There we go. And then let's make the border, we're going to say middle. Border size is going to be 5. Looks pretty good. Good. As far as like its position, we're going to go over here to the position. Oh, can you see anything that I'm doing under my head? Hold on. Let me stick myself over here. Oh, no, come on. There we go. That way it's over there. So, okay, for the position, we want to... oh wait, anchor position. So the anchor point, okay, this is, like, let's say I have a square like this. Anchor point is like where 0 is. So if I put 0 in the middle, then wherever I move the position, it moves relative to that. So if I want position 0, 0, that's where I want the top left-hand corner to appear. So the anchor position of 0, 0 is fine in this particular case because the menu is going to be over on the left-hand side.
Any ideas?
No. No clue. As far as position, we're going to make it at 0, 0 with an offset of 20 and 20. And then for sizeability, we're going to make this, let's see, we don't want to scale it. We'll make it 250 by 500. looks about good. Yes. I don't like the 500. Let's go. Let's actually wait. How does that look? Full screen. Oh, get back in there. Come here, you. I always have to check it on full screen. Okay, it looks good on full screen, so I'm going to leave it like that. We are going to make it transparent though. So let's go back over here to the frame. Go to the transparency. Transparency. Where's it at? Oh, background transparency. 0.5. Look good. I think that looks good. Let's go back over here to that. That has some teams and some sorts and stuff like that. And that's like 0, 0. That's like right up there to the top left-hand side. So, let's go back over here to the position and put it back to 0, 0. I'm okay with that. 0, 0 for the top left-hand side. I'm not okay with that. How thick was our border? 5? So let's go an offset of 3. That'll just be 3 pixels out and away from the frame. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. I think the border could be a little bit better. Let's close that back down. Go to the frame. I know it's called scoreboard, but I'm gonna call this names list. So the scoreboard has the names list inside of it. Oh no, actually, we're gonna call this scoreboard GUI, and then we're gonna call this scoreboard. There we go. Maybe is that too loud? That's probably too loud. We'll go down to 5%. Okay, so inside here, I'm going to want to label at the top left-hand side something that says like name and then score, right? And I don't really care if there's teams yet. We're just making names and scores. So let's go ahead and add. Let's add a frame and call this title or headers. Okay, and we can manually adjust this for right now. But then I want to make sure that we have. This is where the other stuff comes into play. So right here on the frame itself, I'm going to come down here to the anchor point and put 0.5 on the X, which makes it in the center. And it's relative to the position of where it's at on here. So the next one I'm going to do is its position, which is going to be X on 0.5. Puts it right in the middle. Don't really care for the background, so we're just going to make that 100% transparent. And we can squish it down a little bit, that's fine. But I do want to add 2 labels. First one's going to be text label, and that's way too big. So let's squish that down, squish it left. And what are we going to call this? So the anchor point is going to be at 0.5 in the middle again. But the position is going to be 1/3 of the total. So 0.333. Is that right? Okay, Google. Never mind.
Oh, okay.
0.333. That is 1/3 of the way across. That's not where I want it, is it? Let's see, if I were to divide them in 2, halfway would be center 0.5, and I would want half of 0.5. Okay, Google. What's 0.5 divided by 2? 0.255?
The answer is approximately 2.2222222.
Oh, no. Okay, Google. What is 0.5 divided by 2?
It is Sunday, May 2nd, 2021.
What? No, that's not what I said. Okay, Google. What is 0.2 divided by... No, never mind.
Wikipedia has this result.
Okay, Google. What is 0.5 divided by 2?
The answer is 2.5.
No, that's not the answer that I'm looking for. Okay. 0.255. There. That is the center of halfway. So we want to duplicate this. And we're, let's see, 0.255, 0.255, 0.755. Be halfway over the other way. So this first label is going to be name and score. And we're going to change their values from text label to name and from text label to score. So it looks like that. We can also, I guess we could just add a line here or something. That'd be kind of cool. I don't like the way they look, so let's go ahead and hide the background. So background transparency. We're going to set that to 1. And then for the text color is all the way down, isn't it? Text color 3. Let's make it a red color. Is that okay? Wait, what? Why did that not go? Oh, there's a red color. There's a bright red color. I like that one. Text size 14, 18, 24. Does that chop it off at all? No, it does not. But it's a little big. Don't like it. Don't like it. Too big. Too big. Let's go back down to 18. That's good. And let's change the font from the source sans. Should we do Gotham Bold? Not sure I like that. Garamond. Fantasy. Gotham Black. What's Highway? Can we just do an... There we go. Ooh, sci-fi. I like sci-fi. That kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Let's make the text stroke color a nice light blue and 0.3. Ooh, yuck. Yuck. Horrible color. Horrible. What about like a darker red? No, I don't like that either. What if we made it... okay, wait. What if we made it black, but then we changed the background from point to like a 0.5? That looks pretty cool. Like that. I like that. Border type. Can we change border type from an outline to a middle? Border pixel size. Border color. Do a bright green. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Alright, what if we did background transparency as 1, but did border transparency? Can we do border transparency? I don't think we can do border transparency. Let's just leave it like that. It looks good. We might take it up a little bit on the font size, just because it's kind of hard to see. Text size 18. Let's go up to 20. Good. Now, for the scoreboard itself, we're going to add in another frame. We're going to add in a scrolling frame. Yes, that's what we're going to do. And I don't think we can make this 100%, can we? Let's see. If we look at the headers, how far down did this go? The position, the anchor point's at 0.5. The position is scale 0.25. What about size? 80. Okay, so the X is 80. There we go. Y is 16 down. So, position. It's set to zeros. So we want this one to start 16 down from center. Wait, no, that was size. Dang it! Offset 0, scale is going to be 1 or 0.75. Maybe. What about 0.90? Oh, it's closer. 0.95. Aha! There we go. Alright, let's first start with the anchor point. Where do we want to anchor it? We want to anchor it in the center at the top. So we're going to be at 0.5 and 0. And then we're going to move the position itself. To scale on X is going to be at 0.5. Scale on Y is 0. Offset is going to be 16. Okay, 16 didn't work. So 16 and 16 is 32. 6, 7, 8, no, 28. What? No. 6 and 6 is 12. 32. What am I doing? There we go. Does that go all the way across? It does not go all the way across. Why does it not go all the way across? Oh, size. We're not to size yet. Size, Y-axis. Size. Offset is going to be 0. Scale is 0.95. Almost. 0.98. It's getting closer. 0.99. That got it really close. I'm not going to complain. I don't like how far down it's gone though. So, let's see. Size, minus 32. 0.99. Okay, so right there, that's pretty good. Oh, should I only do minus 16 since it's half of that for the size? Minus 16. Wow. Wow. Oh, no, that didn't work. Minus 24. Minus 20. No. Wait, this is size, right? Did I see the top move at all? No, I did not. Oh, that's plus 36. We want to go minus 36. Yeah, I like it. It's fine. Because we're going to make this this background transparent. Background's going to be transparent, like that. And then as people come in, we'll drop their names up here, and we'll drop in a score. But that means we have to go in and create a scoreboard script that's going to update every round. Right? So, under the starter player, we have the control scripts and the camera scripts, but that's not what we're going to do. We are going up to the server scripts, game functions. Now, real quick, how do I want these to look? Is there a sort order by these? Hold on. There's a UI edit thing. UI list layout. UI scale, grid layout, and inline layout page. Okay, we want a list layout. So that score right there is the one that's going to go down. Like, I love the way the Winamp, it has its music, right? And then it's got like the times. I want this. So we're going to have to put this. Let's go ahead and add. Is it going to be a frame that has two labels? It wouldn't be. It'd be a frame that has two labels. So let's go ahead and add a frame. The frame anchor point is going to be. Oh, not that one. This is going to be a player. And we are going to make it anchor point 0.5. Oops. I guess 0.5 works. So if we take this and duplicate it. Yes! Yes! That's perfect. So, do you see how it duplicated downward? Do you see that? So as names are added, we can do that. But then, like, we can scroll, because this is a scrollable thing. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Layers. How wide was our scrolling frame? Let's go to the width. Position, size. Oh, we just did it. Okay. So, for the player, for the width, we're not going to do an offset. We're going to do 100 or 1. So it's the full width. Is that right? Ooh, is the scroll bar going to be in the way? Alright. Offset of scale Y, it doesn't matter because it's going to be going downward. Let's put in 10 pixels. Is it too small? That's too small. Let's go 20 pixels. Is that good? How close are they on this? Oh wow, they're like super close together, aren't they? So we're gonna have to look. Maybe 15, 18. Let's go 18. No, let's go 15. There we go. For the border in the background, oversize. It's overridden. Background. Border transparency is going to be 1. Let's go ahead and add text label. This text label is going to be size. Let's see. Anchor position is going to be at the top in the middle again. Oh, that's middle. I guess we do want it middle, don't we? And then when we place it, okay, so width. Oh, wait. Had the wrong one selected. So the anchor point is going to be at 0.5 and 0.5, just like that. The position will be half of that, so 0.255. On the x-axis, and the scale of this one's going to be 0.5. Right in the middle. And then size. For size, scale of 0.5 and offset of 0. Put it to the left-hand side. For Y, it's going to be, what do we say, 15? 15 big. So then we should be able to say player name, duplicate that, and we'll call this one player score. And let's see, for this, that's the size. We want the position. Position's at 0.255, it's going to be at 0.755, which is the opposite side of it. And everything should line up. So, if we duplicate, players as they come in will be displayed on the left-hand side with their scores on the right. Beautiful. Now let's not delete the wrong ones. I got an extra one there. But this will be kind of like the template that we'll start adding, and whenever somebody's like score increases or something like that, we'll be sure to grab it from the server and then update the scoreboard over here on the left-hand side. As far as the labels themselves, I want to change this. Background color is going to be 1 transparent. The font color, what do they have over here? It's just gray, right? Yeah. So just gray names. Text color right there. We're going to make it a nice gray color. And what kind of font do we want? Oh, for this one, hold on. Player name. And then for this one, player score. Those two things. And let's see. Let's change the font. Where's the font? Font. Source sans bold. Source sans. No. Is there one that looks digital or arcade like? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks awesome. I love that. Oh my gosh. And there's no rank over here, so that's good. Oh, that's going to be awesome. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're at 32 minutes. I am so sorry. My apologies. Let's go back real quick. That, not the scrolling frame, but the headers frame. Nope, the scoreboard frame. I don't like that it wasn't doing what I told it here. What would we do in outline? That'll be okay. It'll be fine. If I hit F5, does it actually play? Because I think I disabled the menu, didn't I? Oh yeah, I disabled the menu. Hold on. Let's go back over here to the starter player. Slip. There we go. Enable. There we go. So I guess I should have the scoreboard disabled, and then when you die, enable it. Or like when you res into the world, enable it, and then when you die, disable it. Right? Because I mean, that's what this is. Now I've got a kill box over here somewhere, I think. See, that's not supposed to happen. I'm not supposed to be able to shoot myself. So there's something wrong with that script. And I just realized the scoreboard script's not showing up. So wait. When player joins, hold on. Game functions. Okay. On Firebird, Shadow, Flapper. Text label. What is that? Okay, no, that's not what I want. That's not. That doesn't make sense. There's the active ships, Theus logo. Okay, okay. Replicated storage. Nope, that's not it. Oh, wait. Because we don't... Okay. Camera controls. Where's the menu? Remote fire event. Okay. On left, on right. Move, 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 move. Okay. So that's not it. What about the camera script? Does this res... Okay, if music menu, then sound ID. Yep. Game music play. Ship workspace. On update, ship equals workspace active ships. Find the child of my player name. If the player and the ship exist, then the filled camera is 15. Set the position of that. If not, player.local player GUI. Select ship menu. Destroy. Oh, here we are. Okay. So, player GUI ship. Okay. Select menu equals game.starter GUI. Select menu clone. Okay. Okay. That's what we need. So, if select menu equals 1, then select menu equals 0, and then destroy that. But let's do scoreboard equals this and scoreboard GUI. And then take this. And we need to do scoreboard dot parent equals that, right? Right? Yes, I think so. And then we do the same thing over here. Switch music to endgame. Switch music to menu. If menu select is 0, then menu select equals 1. And then game dot no. We want this other one. This one here. Copy. We need to destroy the scoreboard GUI. Oh, no, I don't want to save. Just play. Just play it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay. Hopefully I didn't mess something up. Run service rendered invoking callback scoreboard. Dang it. Okay, I said something wrong. I made it mad. Now which one was I in? Was it the camera script? Yeah, it was not the control script. It's not the game functions. I don't think. That's fine. Okay. Select menu object equals. Okay, what was the error that we got down here? Scoreboard is not a valid member of player GUI. Okay. That's why. If and then we'll do find first child scoreboard GUI. Then we'll destroy it. If not, no harm, no foul. Hear the sound. Hit the go. Unexpected callback. Scored valid member. Alright, scoreboard GUI is not a valid member of starter GUI. Scoreboard GUI. Wow. It's been a late night. Okay, so. E. Nice. Okay. I wonder if I misspelled anything else while I was sitting here programming. Nice. I don't like the chat where it's at either. Doesn't look too bad. And if we go up full scale on this, oh, come on up. Actually looks really good. Now, how do those ships look in comparison to these ships? Like if we were to zoom this in some. Those are tiny ships. How can I go full screen on this? Google search for that image. Can I view this full scale? I want to see full scale, please. Maybe not. Okay. Wait. There we go. Copy image address. And then can I go paste image address like that? Zoom in. Zoom. Okay, I don't like that. These are like still super duper small. So let's do that. Hold on. We're going to hit stop. I'm going to go into the camera control script. We're going to go to camera height is going to be at 7,000. We're going to put it up to 1,000 and field of view from 15 down to 10 maybe. Okay, you can't see you can't see the fire anymore. The fire's gone. Okay. So maybe that was too much. Let's go to 800. Camera height 800. We cannot be above that, can we? Because now Theus is in the way. But if Theus was not in the way, how would that look? I don't like that. Nope. Let's hit stop. Let's go back over to the camera script. We'll put it back down to 750, but we're going to take this field of view back up to a 15. Hopefully that'll spread it out a little bit more. Can't have it at 750 either. It's right there, isn't it? Okay, hold on. Let's go into Theus logo and menu. What is menu? Oh yeah, menu item. Okay, so let's take these and we're going to, let's see, move the menu. Where's the menu at? Position is 714. We're going to place this at 1100. Theus logo is 709. We're going to place it at 1100. And then we should be able to go back into our control script. Take this up to 1,000. Now, did the fire disappear? That's what I need to know. The fire's gone. And the glow is gone. And the bug's still there. Wow, we're having all kinds of issues tonight. That's fine. Let's go to stop camera. Let's take this to 850. See if we see some fire. I see fire inside the mountains. I see some fire. Is there a little bit of a lag delay? Is that what I'm feeling? Let's hit stop. Pull this out. Pull this out. Double click. I don't see a glow. Let's see if there is a glow on the other world. Okay, let's take level 1, put it back down into levels, take level builder, bring it back up to workspace, hit F5. Double click. Ooh, wow, that made it like super bright. No, the glow is gone. Okay, so shift F5. Let's pull this back down. We're going to put this back down to 700. Hopefully 700. Oh, 7,000. And let's open that field up from 15 to 30. It's going to make it look a little wonky and no longer arcade-ish, but it will double the amount of view. So it should make things still. Our particle effects are back. Fire looks much better. I really don't like that color on the brick. Hold on. Why can't I touch that? Level builder, stone wall, planet surface. There we go. It's like a plasma blue color. Let's make it like a. Should we do like a desert color? Ooh, there we go. Like a desert planet. That'd be kind of cool. There's a bug! I'm sorry. I gotta get out of here. It's been 48 minutes. I almost programmed for an hour, but I'm serious. I gotta get. Love you guys very much. Thank you all for watching this episode of Let's Make a Game, I guess. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Do all those cool things I'm supposed to call out at the end of the video, like a good YouTuber. I haven't put the programming behind the scoreboard yet, so bear with us. Might come back to it, might not. Who knows? My ADHD brain. I could be working on this one day and then completely wanting to play World of Warcraft the next day. So there's never been any kind of consistency of me programming games. It's just however I feel. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I love you guys very much. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you very soon. Outro.